So, how do I preserve my plantain for longer? First step, I get my plantain that is ripe and ready to fry. But times you have way too much plantain and don't know what to do with it, and you don't want it to waste. So, what I do is I freeze it, I preserve it, and I freeze it so that when I'm ready to fry it, it's frozen, it's preserved, and I can just fry and eat when I'm ready. So the first step is I prepare my plantain. How do you want to fry your plantain? That's how you chop it up. I usually fry mine like this, as you can see, sliced nicely, sliced in that shape, and you can cube it or do whatever, and then freeze. As you can see, it's frozen in the tray for about 8 to 12 hours. The whole point of freezing it like this is so that when you are ready to store the plantain away, they don't freeze to each other. So like this, it's individually frozen, and once I'm ready to fry it in, I bring it out from the freezer. I just pop it in the oil from frozen, and I'm good to go. And this way, you can have your plantain whenever you want in the winter and autumn when plantain is out of season. And this method can last about 6 to 12 months in the freezer. It really depends on you. In my case, I eat plantain at least once a week, so I have it ready to go. And after I'm finished, preparing this, I store it in the bag. As you can see, my bag, there's loads of plantain in there, and it's just stored away nicely from whenever I need it. So here is a quick tutorial on how I preserve my plantain. I hope this comes in handy and useful. Do leave me a comment if you have any other method, and we can exchange ideas. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. One quick tip, once you're tying the bag, make sure there's no air in it because you don't want it to freeze with water. And that's it. Thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.